Enter now at healthwealthraffle.org.
Welcome back, everyone. It is time now for Mommy Makeovers. After having children, most women face a body that's changed pretty much from top to bottom. How do you bounce back? Well, Dr. Thomas Kotoske says he can help and is here today to show us. Good to see you.
Good to see you, too.
All right, you actually do something called a Mommy Makeover. What exactly is that?
Mommy Makeover involves basically rejuvenation from the head to the toe. And basically for women that have gone through childbearing, that have not been able to achieve the results after diet and exercise, we have ways to basically help them achieve what they want in terms of their physical being and so forth.
Who is a candidate?
Really anybody from 18 years of age to elderly is a candidate. And we do all types of different things in terms of rejuvenation, very minimally invasive. We can talk about that as well.
Yeah, why don't we look at some of the before and after, because that's when you go, wow. And you can tell me about the procedures you perform. There's a big wow right there.
You know, tummy tuck with liposuction incorporated into it is one of the things that we really enjoy doing because the results are so dramatic. And, you know, to be able to remove the excess skin, the excess fatty tissue and so forth, it's just very rewarding to women that go through the process.
Yeah, and that's just Mommy Makeover #1. As we move through these pictures, we'll see even more. Again, we saw that picture. And here, of course, you do
breast augmentation. And breast augmentation, you know, if you look at women that have had children, a lot of times they'll lose volume in the upper aspect of their breast. The nipple can actually come down. The shape of the breast change dramatically. You know, with the very minimally invasive approach, doing breast augmentation, whether we use a saline or silicone implant, we're able to put them back to where they were prior to surgery, and even better, or prior to childbearing, or even better.
Yeah, and here we have, of course, another photo, a dramatic difference, too, because, I mean, women can lose a size or two after having a baby.
Absolutely. And where do they lose it? They lose it in areas where they have fatty deposition, the breast tissue, and sometimes in the face as well.
Oh, that's interesting, too, which a lot of people maybe don't think about. Tell me what we're looking at here.
Well, I mean, here's a woman that has had children and has gone through the process and really through aging and so forth has lost some tissue volume in the face, has a little bit of skin laxity. So we performed a minimally invasive facelift called the Quick Lift on her to just rejuvenate her.
Yeah, and that's the thing. It's not, I mean, she looks so much younger, but it's not, like you say, super invasive.
Exactly.
Something to point out. All right, and now lips here.
And lips. You know, frequently we'll have women that are, you know, younger age that have had children that will come in for Botox to remove some forehead wrinkles or lip augmentation using some fillers. And that's literally a 15 to 20 minute process to do that. And it can really soften one's appearance and take them back to where they were prior to having kids and so forth.
Okay, now what can people expect? If I look at these pictures and I'm like, all right, there's some things that I want to do. What's realistic?
Yeah, it's a very dramatic response to what we do. I mean, whether it requires removal of skin or fatty tissue, a lift of some sort, or if it's nothing more than just injectables, such as a facial filler with the use of Botox. We can do a lot of things to really help one achieve what they want. And
people just need to come in, you can give them a consultation, and you'll go from there.
Absolutely. I mean, the way that it works is we sit and talk, we evaluate what it is that they have interest in, and then give them realistic expectations.
And of course, you can look at all those before and after photos too and get more motivation. Call 623-516, of course. You see it right there, BODY, 623-516-BODY, or go to bodybykotoske.com for more. Next on the show, Watch and Win. We're giving away copies of the new movie Tangled. Plus, we have the scoop on new movies hitting video stores.